Hi, my name is Peter Ipak. I'm the owner of Clear Financial LLC, a debt negotiation company. Credit cards that rebuild credit. Well, any credit card can rebuild a credit. Once you get out of a really sticky situation where you had been falling behind and your credit went down, can you rebuild a credit with a credit card? Yes, credit card companies will give you a credit card very, very fast. But you have learned your lesson. So don't just start spending again like a maniac. What you really want to do is you want to responsibly use that credit card, really just purchase as much as you can pay back on that credit card. Make sure that your interest rate stays low and you have learned your lesson. Why did you get into trouble in the first place? You can also have different ways of building your credit or rebuilding your credit. Just alone purchasing a vehicle at your local dealership, if they would give you with a low credit score, that itself will rebuild your credit. And at the same time, if you don't owe anything to anyone, your debt to income ratio will be in a perfect position. That alone itself will probably rebuild your credit pretty good. However, the credit scoring industry, the credit bureaus, not always up to the best position to help you. So really, using a credit card to rebuild your credit, you can have one credit card, use it responsibly, but other than that, I wouldn't advise to have a credit card in the first place because that will put you into debt. My name is Peter Ipak. I'm the owner of Clear Financial LLC. It's a debt negotiation company. Thank you for watching.